Hello guys, I'm your host Shubhojit and welcome to Tech Encounters. Here in this channel we are supposed to give you the updated technology related reviews, views and updatation. This is the age of technology and this is the era of technology and artificial intelligence. I'll be helping you to get all the updated informations related to technology. And right now we are going to unbox a microphone from MAONO, and this is going to be a collar microphone. So without wasting time, I'll be go to the product right now. Okay, so here is the product. Here is the brand from MAONO, and it's a collar microphone. And let's see what else we are getting here. The packaging seems to be really very good. It's a very good packaging, as you can see guys, and it's a brand name from MAONO. And here you can see the specifications. I wish you can see the specification. So let's get into this. Let's see what else we are getting here. So we are getting the 3.5 mm adapter jack, which will be connected to your 3.5 mm jack. So two manuals, two cards. Here are the two cards. One is the manual you will be getting. Here's a manual, and there's one other one, and this is going to be the main pouch from MAONO. It's a very good quality pouch, and I'll be switching right now to this microphone. Here's the microphone. The length of this wire is approx 2 meters, and the microphone is here. As you can see, here is the microphone. It's MAONO-AU400, this microphone. You can remove this portion like this. It is removable. Yeah, so here's the microphone, and you can this form is for the wind noise. If you are recording videos in a very windy weather, this will reduce the wind noise. So let's switch into this microphone right now. So here once again we are guys after the previous video. So we have already attached the microphone to the collar, and this sound quality is coming through this input device. Right now I'm recording with MAONO-AU400, and the sound quality you are getting right now is from this device, and I wish the quality is much more improved with the device. The device brand is very good. It's from Japan, so it's a very good brand. And this MAONO brand actually produces the microphones, the headphones, the speakers. All sound related solutions are done by MAONO. And the guys who are doing YouTubes right now, whoever doing the monologues, the video recordings, this is a very good microphone to record the videos. The sound capture quality is really very premium, but one glitch here is the microphone wire length. The length is really very short. The length is approx 2 meters. So if you are trying to connect the device with a very long distance, you can't do that. You need to keep the device within the range of 2 meters. But the thing is, you can connect it with various kind of devices like DSLR, various kind of mobiles, and action cams. Whatever devices you want, you can connect it. So it has multiple connectivity, and the impedance is really very high. It's 1000 ohm, and it's a omnidirectional microphone. It captures the sound for both left and right here. So it's a stereo sound capturing device. It's not mono sound capturing device with single channel. It's dual channel guys. It's dual channel, so you will get the optimum quality with stereo quality sound, right? So this is it for today right now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am very new here in YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the share, like and subscribe button. Share it with your friends. I'll be here, your host Shubhojit, to keep you updated with latest technology related informations. I wish the growth of this channel should be very good, right? Thank you so much guys. Thank you.